Yeah, good evening. I'm Dr. Sridevi, Professor of Cardiology at Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College and Hospital. I'm a cardiologist. And World Heart Day, the objective of my talk today is to understand about heart attack and its causes and preventive measures which can avoid a heart attack. Knowing this will help us to take right steps towards the strengthening the heart health. The incidence of heart attacks and number of deaths due to it are consistently increasing in India in last decade. So let us understand what is heart attack and what can be the reason behind it. The heart is the most essential organ and its non-stop functioning is crucial for survival. It functions as a pump and allows the circulation of blood throughout the body. Any interruption of the blood supply to the heart because of the blockage of blood vessels for even a few seconds can impair its function and it will lead to the heart attack or it can lead to the sudden cardiac death. So what are the risk factors for the heart attack? There are multiple risk factors like diabetes mellitus, high blood pressure, smoking, increased cholesterol levels, lack of physical activity, stress, increased stress levels, and all these risk factors, they will lead to the deposition of the fat in the blood vessels which supply heart and brain and kidneys and even lower limbs and upper limbs. This deposition of the fat, which is medically known as atherosclerosis, this is responsible for acute heart attacks and even chronic stable angina. The process of atherosclerosis usually starts during very early age. So if it causes progressive narrowing of the blood vessels, this narrowing of blood vessels, if it is more than 70% of the 70% of blockage of the artery, will lead to the symptoms of the heart problem. This is chronic stable angina. This atherosclerotic plaque, as I said, if it gets ruptured, it will lead to the formation of the blood clot over the ruptured plaque, which is responsible for the acute heart attack. So what are the symptoms of the acute heart attack? Symptoms of the acute heart attack are sudden onset of severe chest pain, which is associated with sweating and vomiting sensation. And in some patients, they have only breathing difficulty. And in some patients, they will have only giddiness episodes. And in some patients, it may present as an acute indigestion. So all these are the symptoms of the acute heart attack. So what should be done if these symptoms occur? They should seek medical attention immediately. If the blood supply to the heart is not restored, it will lead to the myocardial damage of the heart muscle, which will be irreversible. They should seek medical attention. They should reach a hospital where facilities are available for treating acute heart attack. So once patient reaches the acute hospital, the measures are provided are giving drugs which will break the clot. These are known as thrombolytic therapy, or in some patients, they will be offered primary angioplasty, so which is also known as primary angioplasty in myocardial infarction, PAMI. So these are the measures will be given to the patients of acute heart attack. So what should we do to prevent acute heart attacks or chronic heart problems? The measures are, as I said, we should control various risk factors like diabetes mellitus should be controlled with drugs, exercise, and diet and high blood pressure. They should receive drugs to control the blood pressure. They should restrict salt intake. They increase their physical activity. If the cholesterol levels are high, they should control cholesterol levels by diet and drugs which control the cholesterol. They should increase the physical activity and they should maintain their ideal body weight. If they smoke, they should quit smoking and they should limit their alcohol intake. And one more thing is they should develop a heart healthy diet. They should eat a heart healthy diet. So what is heart healthy diet? It comprises of increased intake of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fish, nuts, and they should curb their refined foods, sugary foods, and beverages. They should eat high fiber foods. And foods higher in saturated fat can also contribute to high cholesterol. They should limit their consumption. They should eat foods which are rich in unsaturated fat, like nuts, vegetable oils, olive oil, and sunflower oil. And they should limit their salt intake. This is especially important for people who are at risk for the high blood pressure. They should limit their intake of the salt to less than 2.3 grams per day. And they should follow an exercise plan. They should maintain ideal body weight. As I said, regular physical activity makes the heart stronger. Regular exercise can also help you burn calories, lower the blood pressure levels. They reduce the LDL cholesterol, which is bad cholesterol. They also increase, exercise also increases the HDL cholesterol, which is the good cholesterol. What is the exercise which is helpful for the heart? These are like aerobic exercises, like brisk walking, running, jogging, and swimming. Managing stress levels and getting adequate sleep are also possibly the best ways to prevent heart problems. And overall, it is possible to make heart healthy and prevent heart failure or heart attacks through lifestyle intervention like dietary modification and exercise. And they should control their diabetes, hypertension, liquid smoking, limit their alcohol intakes. All these measures will help to prevent heart attack.